Good morning, everyone. Today, our discussion topic is sales journal. Sales journal, as its name implies, that sales journal includes all the entries which are related to sales. If the question has any entries, and we are asked to make a sales journal and their entries of purchases, then we will not entertain those entries in the sales journal. There are two terms: up to and beyond. Up to means if we sell up to $1,000 products, then we will receive 5% trade discount. It means we have to pay, the total amount is 10,000 and we have to pay, for instance, 9800. So this is up to the certain limit the sales owners impose on the salesperson, that if they sell more than beyond 1000, then they will receive 10% trade discount. It means they are going to increase their sale if they receive more commission, more trade discount. Okay, here we solve the first question of the sales journal, which is as the first entry is January 4, 2005, sold to Sama on credit 10 tables at rupees 150 each and 30 chairs at rupees 100 each. So here is no mention of total tables price and total chairs price. One table, the price of one table is 150 and the price of one chair is 100. So we will find total tables, price of total tables by multiplying 150 to 10 and 100 to 30, like this. So first of all, we write the name of the seller. Seller is Usama Sales. So 10 tables at rupees 150 each and 30 chairs at rupees 100 each, less 10% trade discount. This is the trade discount which is mentioned at the very bottom side of the question. 10% discount if we sell more than 2000 rupees and 5% if we sell more than up to 2000. So if we calculate the price of 10 tables and 30 chairs, the amount will be, if we multiply 10 by 150, there will be 1500, and if we multiply 30 chairs with the one chair price is 100, then it will be 3000. So total amount will be 4500. It is more than 2000, therefore we are going to receive 10% trade discount. 1500 the total price of tables, 3000 total price of chairs, total amount is 4500. 10% of 4500 we will calculate like this: 4500 multiplied by 10 over 100, so it will be 450. So we will calculate 4500 minus 450, the amount will be 4050. Next entry is January 11, 2005, sold on credit to Slim one dining table at rupees 1500. Here is the total amount mentioned of one dining table, so we will not have to multiply anything. So we are going to sell to Slim. So Slim is the ultimate person. Slim will be like this, and we will write the name of Slim on the top of the site. One dining table at rupees 1500. So 1500 is beyond lower than 2000, so we will receive 5% commission. We will receive 5% trade discount. So the dining table price is 1500 and 5% of 1500 is 75. We will minus it, we will deduct it from 300, then the amount will be 1425. Next heading is January 30, sold on credit to Tarek's restaurant 100 chairs at rupees 150 and 20 chairs at rupees 200 each. So it is the price of one table, it is the price of one chair. We will multiply 150 to 100 and 200 to 20, because there are 20 tables and price of one table is 200. There are 100 chairs and price of one chair is 150. So the person is Tarek Restaurant. So Tarek Restaurant will be on the above side, and we write 100 chairs at rupees 150 each and 20 tables at rupees 200 each. Calculate the amount 150 multiplied by 100 and 200 multiplied by 20. Amount will be 15,000 and 4,000. These two are more than 2,000, so we will receive 10% trade discount. 19,000 is the total amount. We will add both of these, and the 10% of 19,000 is 1,900. So we will deduct 1,900 from 19,000. Amount will be 1,710. So we will add the above, this one, and the very first, this one. The total amount will be 22,575. This is the sales journal, so we will write sales account. Here we write credit because sales has a nature. Everyone knows that sales has the nature of credit. So it means that the sales account will be credited by 22,575. That's all for the today's lecture. If you have any question, you can ask me. You can comment. And one thing more, kindly subscribe my channel, Noroz Education, so that you, and click the bell icon also, so that you will receive every new updates from my channel. Thank you.